Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in this video we'll be seeing the coloring part of Maa Durga. The outline part is already available in part 1 and you can just click on the I button so that you can view the outline part. And for coloring I have used brush pens. So for the hair part I have done with the black color, and the crown part I'm going to do with the yellow color. So you just follow the direction how it is given, and we have to do in the same direction. So here we have curves, and the curves are also done in the curvy part. The coloring also is done in curves, and here we have some small circles, and we are not going to color the circles. And for the ear part, the ornament which is there on the ear, even that I'm coloring in yellow, leaving the circles and the middle. So this is the other side, and don't throw your cap somewhere, you just pin it to the pen itself on the back part, otherwise you'll be searching for the cap again once you have finished the work. So it's better always to keep the cap on back side of the pen. And now we are done with the crown part, and now we are doing the earrings. So earrings also I'm leaving the center part and even the circles, and even the beads which are hanging down I'm leaving them. I want to color with them with some other color. So now the jewelry part is being done, leaving the circles and the ear parts, and the neck part also I have done with the yellow color. I'm going to do even the face part, but before that let us cover all this. Why I'm doing this yellow first is we need to leave the color to dry a little bit before coloring the other color. I just want to go with red and green for this. So I have finished my yellow color, and now I'm doing my eyes. In eyes I'm leaving the center part as a specular, a little small round, and I'm coloring the eyes. Be very careful when you're coloring the eyes. And you can see I have given a small outline below the line which I have given on the upper lid. That gives a soft look in the eyes, and the specular, that will give the brightness in the eyes. And while using this eyelashes, be very careful, give them in curves and follow the direction how it is given on both the sides. The upper eyelids, they'll be a little bit longer compared to the lower eyelids, so be very cautious even in that. Once the eyes are completed, now again I'm doing with the eyebrows with the brush pen itself, and just do with don't use a total brush, use only the tip of the brush and work in these delicate parts. And here I just actually gave the second bindi also in red. Don't give that, we'll just give green color in that. And lips also, be very careful in doing lips. See that you are not coming out of the outline, and color it. Even this middle part of the, I'm doing red color, even the ear ornament. And now I'm coloring all the circles in red color. So until you complete this, you can enjoy music a little bit. And whenever you're doing some work, listen to your favorite music, and you'll really enjoy the artwork when you're listening music and doing it. And this is actually a fast video. I think this is okay, but if at all anyone is interested to know step by step and want to watch the real-time video, please message me in the comment section so that I can even post the real-time video. So I have circled all the I have colored all the circles in red color except the middle of the earring and the bottom hangings. And now I'm using green color in between this red, and for the droplets also I'm using green. Yeah, this is what I was saying. Don't color the middle one in red, color it it in yellow. And now I'm coloring the total face in yellow, but before that be very careful and follow the direction how I'm coloring the face. First outline the black areas so that that will not disturb the black color, because watercolors they are tend to spread. So be very careful when doing, and follow the directions how I'm coloring the yellow part on the face. This is a circle, curves, I'm coloring it in curvy, and here I'm giving straight, and here again I'm following the eye direction, and here also I'm giving the face in curves. Not only drawing, the coloring also should be in the direction where the how the face goes. So here until here the total face is completed, and yeah, I forgot to color these rounds. And now I want to give some border for this. I want to give like a curtain. So for this I'm marking again from the center point, and I'm just giving curves. I'm giving double curves so that I can use two colors in this. And for this I want to use orange and red. And after this I have used micron pen number 1, and I have marked it, and the same micron pen I have used for making the borders. Whatever artwork you do, for that border, with the border the picture looks even more good. Whatever we have painted, that looks even more good. So once after doing this, I have erased all the pencil lines, and I started coloring the curtain. And this also I'm doing it in the curves. See the direction I'm following. And after this I have done with the red color. I have used orange, and then next red. And for borders also I'm using red color, because in the backdrop I want to use black. So border I don't want it to be black, so that it will be the same. I want to show some differentiation, so that's the reason I have used here in the border red, and the inside part, the background I'll be using black color. So yeah, and one more thing is clean the scale every time whenever you are using this, because there is a chance of the color sticking to the scale and your painting may be ruined. And before coloring this black color, you just outline everything with the micron pen, so that if in case by mistake if at all you touch the yellow color, the color doesn't get disturbed. Okay, the micron pen, this doesn't spread, but the yellow color that may spread whenever you are using black color. If at all by mistake, if at all we are prone to do that. By mistake, it may happen sometimes. And outline the every part so that it gives even more bright look. And now start coloring the background with black color. Be careful in using the very minute parts. Here you'll be there is a chance of getting into the black, so be careful. Do it very slowly and give time for your artwork. How much ever time you give it, you can do it in very neat manner. Patience, do it with very patiently. This is how it looks. So we have finished all the black color also. Now I'm taking soft pastels, and I just want to give a little bit of realistic look. So I have taken soft pastels. I have taken some color using earbud to just give light shading, and I want to show the shading part and a little bit of lighting and shading. We just see how it looks. A little bit of realistic. So I have given near the mouth so that it we feel it, the Mata is smiling, and I have given the a little bit of shading under the neck, and even on the curves I'm giving it in curves. I'm not just rubbing it, I'm just giving everything in curves in this way. I hope you liked it, and I think you all will like it and even enjoy the drawing. Thanks for watching. Happy drawing.